Here's how you can connect your Roku Smart TV to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For internet access, you must register your Roku by its MAC address. To find its MAC address, scroll down the home screen and select Settings. Then select System at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the About section. The wireless MAC address will be listed at the bottom of the screen. With the MAC address, you can now register your Roku. Go to mydevices.uww.edu and sign in with your NetID and password. Click the Add button. Then enter a name for your TV and its MAC address and click Submit. Your Roku will now be registered. Once your device is registered, return to your Roku settings. Select Network, then select Set up New Wireless Connection. Your device will then begin scanning for networks. When the scan is completed, scroll down to the other options and select Private Network. Then type in UWW Play as shown here and select Done. A message will then pop up asking if you use a network password. Select No, I don't use a password. After a brief connection scan, another pop-up message will ask where you are connecting from. Select I am at home. Your Roku TV will then be connected to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For any further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu.